We often get questions here at Syntrax Nutrition about health, wellness, and the role of nutrition when it comes to your body. One of the questions we get is, what is metabolism? Metabolism is an essential life-sustaining chemical process your body uses to break down foods and liquids into energy and to build or repair your body. According to healthline.com, having a higher metabolism can help you lose weight and keep it off, while also giving you more energy. Your metabolism can be broken down into two processes, catabolism and anabolism. Catabolism refers to how your body breaks down food. Anabolism refers to the rebuilding process related to how the nutrients are applied to your body and muscles. Protein can speed up your metabolism, which can help you burn more calories. Protein can also help you eat less because it can contribute to a feeling of fullness. Here at Syntrax, we understand each person has different metabolic needs, so we develop different lines of proteins to fit those needs. For more information about our proteins, check out our website at syntrax.com.